Welcome to this insightful journey into the world of cryptocurrency with the powerful keyword Binance Invite Code. Today, we're not just exploring what this means, we're unlocking exclusive benefits for you. Binance is renowned as one of the world's premier cryptocurrency exchanges, offering extensive trading options, robust security, and exceptional liquidity. But what sets your experience apart is using a Binance Invite code. When you join Binance through a referral, you're not just signing up, you're stepping into a world of advantages. Invest wisely. Binance provides you with discounts on trading fees, allowing your investments to go further. Earn more. You'll gain access to exclusive bonuses and rewards just by using a certain code. Here's where the magic happens. Sign up with the Binance Invite code 291935167. Just by entering this code during registration, you unlock reduced trading fees, which can significantly boost your trading profits. Referral bonuses, where both you and the user who referred you will receive Bitcoin when you trade. VIP benefits including advanced services like zero-fee trading, higher withdrawal limits, and more. How do you make the most of this? First, head over to Binance's Sign Up page. As you fill out your information, look for the section asking for a referral or invite code. This is where you'll enter 291935167. Once registered, each time you trade, you'll start earning extra perks. Not just for you, but for the person who shared the code with you, creating a win-win scenario. Remember, cryptocurrency's future is bright, and Binance is at the helm. Why not join this ecosystem with a significant advantage? Enter the Binance Invite code 291935167 and see your crypto journey transform. Thank you for taking the time to explore this exciting opportunity. Remember, in the world of cryptocurrency, every little advantage counts. Use Binance Invite code 291935167 today to claim yours. Happy trading!